um, distributor or supplier kind of websites. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to analyze these YouTube channels, you have to analyze the Facebook pages, okay, and you have to analyze these websites, okay, and based on that you have to prepare uh, one documentation, which is a master document for you also and for me also, okay. So if you consider the YouTube channels, okay, so what you have to do is that you have to watch all the YouTube videos available on that YouTube channel, okay, and you have to capture each and every small thing of that video, okay. Suppose the YouTube channel is of drone technology, okay, based on the drone technology, and in that video it was shown that how to make the drone, okay, or how to program the drone, okay. So on that concept the video was there, so you have to watch the video carefully and you have to note down all the necessary required things, whatever the things demonstrated or shown in that video, okay. Also you have to capture small thing like in the description box some links must be given, okay, means from where you have to purchase the material, okay, or there must be a program code written into the description box, okay. So likewise you have to capture all the small details, whatever the details are there in the that YouTube video, okay. Same thing is applicable for the Facebook page and the website as well, okay. So on the Facebook pages you will be getting the multiple kind of projects over there in the that Facebook page, okay. So what you have to do, you have to capture all these projects along with their theory, along with their description, along with the program, along with their circuitry diagrams, okay. So you have to document each and every small thing, whatever the YouTube channels, whatever the Facebook pages, whatever the websites I will be suggesting to you, okay. So all these things are related with the multiple technologies, like for solar there are separate Facebook pages, Facebook YouTube channels are there. For drones there are different Facebook pages, YouTube channels are there, okay. So for each and every technology I will be providing you the separate list of uh, all these three category of the social media links, okay. So you have to capture each and every point in depth, okay. So based on that you have to you have to prepare a master project report within the month of within a period of 1 month or 2 months might be, okay. So this is the one kind of internship opportunity available as of now with me, okay. So based on depending upon your interest you can choose your technology and you can reach out to me for whatever the technology you are interested, okay. So based on that I will provide you the necessary link details on 1st of July itself, okay. And from 1st of July your internship will be begin, okay. So those who are the students whose exam are ongoing or might be in between, they are okay. So after finishing their exam all the students can reach out to me to start their internship, okay. But as of now on 1st of July I will be starting this internship program for the next 2 months, okay. So within the time period of next 1 month or 2 months you have to get completed your project and submit to me within that time frame, okay. So this is about the online internship program, okay. So what is the offline internship program, let us discuss it, okay. So in the offline internship program will be begin in the month of August itself. From the 1st of August I will be starting the offline internship program, okay. So in which you have to actually work on the ground itself, okay. Suppose if you know how to fly the drones, okay, then on the ground you have to do some assignments for me. Okay, so that you will be getting the more hands-on experience on the use of technologies. Okay, so if you are if you know very well about the solar technologies, okay, then on the ground you have to do some assignment project work on the ground itself. Okay, so that is a one kind of offline opportunities. It will be starting at on 1st of August itself. Okay, so the students, those are belongs to Sandeep Foundation. They can reach out to Hemant sir. Okay, because he is a spoke for Sandeep Foundation. Okay, and the students, those are not the part of Sandeep Foundation or joined from external media or external links. Okay, they can directly contact to me one-to-one on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so from 1st of July, we will be starting the online internship itself. Okay, so as of now, these two opportunities I discussed with you. So if you have any query, any difficulty, or if you have any doubt, you can ask me here itself. Because that is why we plan this session today itself to discuss all the whatever your queries are there.
Yes, sir. I appeal all these students. If you have any queries, okay, the forum is open, and Mohit sir will definitely answer all our queries. So please respond. If you have any sort of queries,
Mohit sir,
Yes, sir.
please share your contact, your WhatsApp contact in the chat, sir, so we
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah. I'm
contact
sharing.
you.
I'm sharing. I'm sharing.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I already shared in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Mahesh, from which college you have belonged?
Sir, I am from Siaghad College of
Yeah.
Engineering.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so you got what you have to do, right, in the internship program. In case of any doubt or any difficulty, you can reach out to me at any time.
Yes, Professor Vasim sir, are you there, Professor Vasim sir?
Hello, sir.
Hi, yes.
Sir, Prochit here from Modern College.
Yes, Pajit.
Sir, as you mentioned above, that the student who interested in internship, they just monitor the pages of Facebook or channels of YouTube, or they self-made the pages or YouTube channel.
No, no, no. Prajit, see, as I told earlier, what you have to do, you will be getting some Facebook pages or the link of YouTube channels. Okay. So
Yeah.
what you have to do, suppose if I give you the link for the Facebook page, okay. So on that Facebook page, multiple projects would be there. Okay, suppose I have give you the Facebook page of IoT technology. Okay, so on that Facebook page, multiple IoT projects would be there. Okay, so what
Yeah.
you have to do, you have to capture the details, whatever the details mentioned are there on the Facebook page for that against that project. Okay, you have to capture the program code, you have to capture whatever the procedure is there, whatever the circuit diagram shown. Okay, you have to take the picture of the circuit, whatever is there. Okay, so every small thing you have to captured in your document. Okay, so in that page, link must be also given for from where to buy the material. Okay, so from where we have to buy the project material, that link should be also given. So you have to capture that link also. Okay, any program code must be written over there. That program code also you have to get captured. Okay, the circuit diagram. Okay, so likewise, you have to prepare. Suppose on the Facebook page, IoT Facebook page is there. Okay, and there are around 20 to 50 projects are there in the Facebook page. Okay, so you have to capture all the details available on that Facebook page, and you have to prepare a master project document for that same.
Okay, okay, got it, sir. Got it.
Ha ha ha. Same thing you will be getting also some YouTube channels. Okay, so you have to watch the videos very carefully. Okay, so against each and every video you have to capture. Suppose there is a first video in that it is mentioned that how to prepare a drone. Okay. In the second video, it might be written that how to program the drone. In third video, it might be written as how to fly the drone, how to control the drone. Okay. How to analyze the data. Okay, so likewise multiple videos would be there. You have to watch each and every video given on that YouTube channel, and you have to prepare one document against each video. You have to capture all the details, whatever the details shown or displayed in the video. Also, you have to capture the description box, whatever the links are there in the description box. Okay. Before starting your project, you can definitely, I will be taking one session and will show to you. Okay, so here I will demonstrate one example to you. Okay, just 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, sir, please.
Companies know too much about you. Mind will help you stop it.
Kate? Kate.
I'm sharing my screen. Just 1 minute. Is it visible? Hello?
No, sir.
Just 1 minute. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So now we can do it.
Yeah. See. Are you able to see the YouTube channel screen?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. It is visible.
Okay. So this is a one YouTube channel named as High Tech XYZ. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to go to this channel. Okay. So as I told earlier, there are multiple videos are there. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to capture the whatever the details mentioned in this video. Okay. In your document. Suppose if I open this video. Okay. So in this video, it is mentioned that how to make a single motor drone. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to watch this video.
दोस्तों हमने ड्रोन तो बहुत सारा बनाया है, लेकिन आज के इस वीडियो में हम एक सिंगल मोटर वाला ड्रोन बनाने वाले हैं जिसका नेम है मोनोकॉप्टर। अगर आप इस वीडियो को पूरा देखते हो तो आप भी इस ड्रोन को बना सकते हो, लेकिन इस ड्रोन को बनाने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट पीसीबी के बारे में बताना चाहूंगा। नेक्स्ट पीसीबी चाइना का एक लार्जेस्ट पीसीबी प्रोटोटाइप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है, जहां से आप अपने अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कस्टमाइज पीसीबी डिजाइन करके बनवा और मंगवा सकते हो। नेक्स्ट पीसीबी न्यू यूजर के लिए $100 का कूपन भी प्रोवाइड करता है, और इसी के साथ $0 ट्रायल पीसीबी, 2 लेयर पीसीबी, 4 लेयर पीसीबी और पीसीबी असेंबलिंग का भी फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है। पीसीबी को ऑर्डर करने के लिए हमें क्वाड नाउ पे क्लिक करना है, और इसके बाद हमें अपनी गर्बर फाइल को अपलोड करना है। इसके बाद हम गर्बर फाइल की कलर क्वांटिटी को सेलेक्ट करके आसानी से अपने पीसीबी को ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट पीसीबी पूरे वर्ल्ड में अपने पीसीबी को डिलीवर करता है। लिंक मैंने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है।
So as I told earlier that that guy said that he has mentioned some link in the description box. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to capture the details, whatever the details are there in the given in the description box itself. Okay. So all these links, details you have to capture in that document. Okay. And you also you have to watch this video carefully and based on the subject. How to make a single motor drone. Okay. So to prepare a single motor drone, what you have to do, Okay, so you have to get captured all these details in the that particular document itself. Okay, so for that you have to watch this video very carefully.
बनाने के लिए मैंने कुछ चीजों को प्रिंट किया है और प्रिंट करने का फाइल का लिंक मैंने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है। साथ ही साथ इस ड्रोन को बनाने के लिए मैंने जो भी पार्ट्स का यूज किया है सभी पार्ट्स का लिंक मैंने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है। आप उन पार्ट्स
Okay, that guy is saying that here also mention the component details. Okay, means from where you can order the components. Okay, so that links also he has given in the description box itself. Okay, so you have to capture that detail also. Okay, then we will
यूज करके इस ड्रोन को
continue
बना
this
सकते
video.
हो। ये ड्रोन जितना सिंपल हो सका उतना सिंपल मैंने इसे बनाया है ताकि आप भी इस ड्रोन को आसानी से बना सको।
So that guys has also shown some components to us. Okay, so that component name also you have to get captured. What are the components he is using? The BLDC motors, the frame, whatever the ESC controller is there. Okay, so I will now give you the example of the Facebook page itself. Okay, just 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen once again. Just give me 1 minute. One more minute. Is my screen visible now?
No, sir, not yet. Yeah, now it is visible.
Yeah, so this is the link for the Facebook page. Okay, so in front of you I open this Facebook page belongs to the IoT technology. Okay, so on this Facebook page there must be different kind of multiple posts are there. Okay, different projects is also there. Okay, so you have to capture these details. Okay, so if it is a diagram, you have to save this diagram in your project document. Okay, and whatever the description is given in the post, you have to capture this along with the below to this picture document. Okay, same thing, you have to capture this post also. Okay, so you have to save this picture in your document first, and below to the document you have to copy and paste this description of the post of this post. Okay. Some projects are also there on this page. Just 1 minute. I'm scrolling to that. I have to open another page. I think just 1 minute. Is this visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, there are project links are also mentioned in this second IoT page. Okay. So this is a Raspberry Pi interface with LED. Okay. So full details and code link below. Okay. So here, these guys mentioned the circuit diagram. Okay. So you have to go to this page, and you have to capture the details of this page. Okay, means whatever the circuit diagram he has shown. Okay, whatever the description he wrote over there. Okay, what is GPIO? We have to capture all these details in the that your master document itself. Okay, how to program. Okay, so you have to capture all these single project document, and in one document you will be getting compiled multiple projects in your single document itself. Okay, so if this program is written, you have to capture this like with the help of this snipper tool. Okay, with the help of snipper tool you can capture this link and paste it in your document itself. Okay, so whatever the things you can write down, you have to copy and paste this sentence in your document, and whatever the pictures shown in the this page, you have to copy and paste that image in a document. Okay, same thing about this next project. Okay, so this is a TV remote control car. Okay, so he has given the description over there. You don't have to capture this hashtags and all. Okay, but you have to just capture whatever the description is there against mentioned in the project. Okay, same thing. Just 1 minute, I'm sharing once again. Okay, so here some images are there. He has given in this post. You have to capture these images. Some other projects also there, like IoT based fire notification using Blink app. Okay, so same way you have to go to the page and capture all the required details for this project. Okay, so likewise you will be getting the link for the other technology as well, for embedded, for solar, for robotics, for drones. Okay, so you have to analyze all the links, and you have to prepare a master project document in which multiple projects would be can be incorporated in that document itself. Okay, so understand everybody what you have to do. Still, if you are in a doubt, you can ask here itself, because we have till 10 to 20 minutes in hand.
Hello, sir. I am Faizan Sayed from PCCV Pune.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I have had a doubt regarding the duration of offline internship.
Yes. Offline.
What would? Yes, sir. Offline internship duration.
Offline internship would be also for 1 to 2 months, based on your interest and based on the project requirement.
Also, sir, I had a doubt that regarding the robotics internship,
Yes.
in which category will be exactly working, like AGV or robotic arms?
Not
That kind.
on robotic arms. You have to work on the small kits itself. You have to prepare some small kits for me. That I
Okay,
will
sir.
tell you separately what you have to do in the robotics part. Because as of now we are only starting the online internship for the next 2 months, and in the month of August only we will be starting the offline internship. So for that you can reach out to me separately for the offline internship.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Lokesh.
I'm Lokesh Arun.
Hi, yes, Lokesh.
Sir, I have doubt regarding offline internship. Can I
Yes.
ask?
Yeah. You can.
Sir, in case of solar, so we don't have any prior hands-on experience as in case of solar. So can we get
So if you are
some
not
basic
having the
training
experience, no,
regarding
then,
that?
you will be aligned with some teams. Okay, you will be get aligned with some field teams which are already doing the installations in the field itself. Okay, so you have to assist them, you have to watch them, you have to observe them. Okay, so likewise on field visit also you can do the field visit along with them.
Okay, okay.
Hmm. So from 1st of July, those who are interested to start their internship program, online internship, so they can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. So the students, those who are belongs to Sandeep Foundation, they can reach out to Hemant sir for the starting their internship program. Because I don't know your exams are over or not. Okay, so only Hemant sir can decide that. And as per the Hemant sir request, we can start your internship program.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
have one question. If suppose,
Yes, sir.
because in the month of July, hopefully students will have to face their end semester exams.
Okay.
Because sixth semester exams are not yet over. I think for all SPPU university students. So if suppose exams are going to be started from the 15th of July.
Okay.
Meanwhile, they have joined your internship from 1st of July. But meanwhile, they have to face the exams from 15 July to
No,
latest latest. Yes, yes, sir.
please. If your exams are in the due for the next month, na, okay,
Yes, sir.
then
Yes,
please
sir.
ask your student to start the internship on 1st of August itself. Okay, please complete your exam first and then start the internship. I'm
Okay.
not forcing anyone to start the internship before to their exams. Okay, so you just let them finish their exams. After
Yes,
finishing
sir.
the exam, from the next day itself, they can start the internship. I have no problem. Suppose if they are finishing the exam of 20 July, they can start the internship of 21st July itself. I have no issue.
Okay. Okay.
But let them
Yes.
finish their exam.
Yes, sir. Mahesh, Pratiksha, you belongs from same SPPU university, I think. So the same scenario with your college also.
Yes, sir. Same
Okay.
scenario.
Okay. Yeah. So Mohit sir, I think today's whatever discussion with you, the students. So I think all the insights regarding course content and what they have to cover, what they have to study in online as well as in offline mode. So all things are clear to the student as well.
Yes.
So if students have any queries, so they can please raise your hand or they can chat.
They can speak here
Text.
itself.
Yes,
Here
yes,
itself, because this is the platform we got for today
yes, yes,
itself. है ना?
yes.
Till we have 5 to 10 minutes in hand, they can ask
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir.
And the students, those are from the Sandeep Foundation. Okay, so they have to submit their names to Hemant sir along with their technology interest. Okay, so based
Yes,
on
sir.
that only, I will be providing the links to Hemant sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will do one thing. I will prepare a Google form, and in that Google form, those who are interested, so we will get that interest
Yes.
directly.
You can
Yes.
also capture the technology interest of the student.
Yes, sir. Sure,
Okay.
sir. Sure.
Based on that, I will be providing the links to them. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sure. Yes, Umesh, Sahil.
And the students, those are not the part of Sandeep Foundation, they can directly reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so based on what technology they are interested, and then when they are going to start the internship, that details they can text to me on my WhatsApp number. The students, those are the part of the Sandeep Foundation itself. I think just 1 minute. He's left the call, I think. Okay, no worries. Okay, so if anyone has not any query, then we can wind up.
Yes, sir.
As of
Yes,
now.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So thank you so much for your great words with the students. And once again, on behalf of student, I thanks to Mohit sir for this webinar, for this session. And I hope most of the students will have a different interest in solar, in IoTs, or in robotics. So definitely in forthcoming days they will be a hands-on in whether it is an online mode or offline mode, but definitely they will get a good opportunity through this webinar. So thank you, Mohit sir, and have a good day.
Thank
So
you,
with
sir.
your
Thank
kind
you all.
permission, I conclude that this session is over.
Yes, sir.
And definitely Mohit sir as well as me both will in touch for the students for their future endeavor. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you
Have a
very
good
much,
day.
sir. Thank you all. Bye. Have a
Yes,
good day.
yes, yes, yes.